Good morning, students. How are you all? I think you all are fine, right? Okay, students, today we will continue our chapter number 1 with exercise. So, this exercise, students know it will be on page number 12. Okay, this exercise is inside the chapter. It is on page number 12. So we'll continue. Question number 1, name them. First, a part joining the leaf to the stem. What is that called? Petiole. Petiole. Second, a type of leaf venation in which veins are run parallel to each other. What are they called? Parallel vein. Parallel vein. Third, a process by which the green leaves make food for the plant. What is that called? Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. D point, a thread-like coiled modification of leaves. What is that called? This is called leaf tendril. L-E-A-F, leaf tendril. T-E-N-D-R-I-L. Then E part, the modified leaves of an onion bulb. What is that called, students? Scale leaves. S-C-A-L-E, scale leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Then F point, a plant that shows vegetative propagation through their leaves. What is that called? This is called, or a plant, the example of that plant is called begonia. B-E-G-O-N-I-A. Instead of this begonia, you can write bryophyllum also. Spelling of bryophyllum is B-R-Y-O-P-H-Y-double-L-U-M. Bryophyllum. B-R-Y-O-P-H-Y-double-L-U-M. Bryophyllum. You have to write, if you don't want to write this word begonia, instead of that you can write bryophyllum also. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks. A part, the air enters a leaf through dash. Students, write there stomata. S-T-O-M-A-T-A. Stomata. B part, in wild pea, the dash leaf is modified into a tendril. Entire. E-N-T-I-R-E. Entire. C part, in glory lily, the dash are modified into tendrils. Answer is leaf tips. L-E-A-F, leaf, T-I-P-S, tips. D part, in cactus plants, leaves are modified into dash, spines. S-P-I-N-E-S, spines. E part, bladderwort is an example of dash plants. Right there, insectivorous. Spelling of insectivorous, I-N-S-E-C-T-I-V-O-R-O-U-S. Insectivorous. Now students, you have to come on page number 13. Page number 13. Are you looking here? Okay. Now we will continue our outside this exercise. Recalling ideas. Select the correct option. Students, your options are given here and you have to click on the correct options. First, a flat thin part of a leaf is called what? Leaf blade, leaf margin, petiole or leaf vein? Leaf blade. Answer is leaf blade. Second, A type of leaf in which a single leaf attached by a petiole to the stem. What is that known as? Simple leaf, dry leaf, compound or green leaf? Simple leaf is the answer. The green leaves prepare or make the food for the plant by a process of what? Transpiration, photosynthesis, evaporation, none of them. Photosynthesis. Click on photosynthesis. In cactus plant, the parts modified into spines are the stem, leaves, buds or flowers. Correct answer is leaves. Correct answer is leaves. Now students, we will continue this exercise on the next page. Page number 14. Which page number? Page number 14. Students, again listen. This exercise you will find on page number 14. So we will continue it now. Insectivorous plants grow in soil deficient, especially in what? Nitrogen, iron, oxygen or water? Nitrogen. Vegetative propagation is shown by the leaves of rose plant, bryophyllum, neem or mango plant? Bryophyllum plant. Question number 2 now. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. First, the part of a plant that grows under the ground is called what? Root. Right here, answer root. An example of insectivorous plant is what? Bladderwort. The banana leaves have dash venation. Right there, parallel venation. In compound leaves, the leaf blade is distinctly divided into dash leaflets. Answer is students leaflets. The edge of leaf blade is called mark on leaf margin. Now students, third question. State if the following statements are true or false. Here you have to write true or false. But one more thing here you have to do, that you have to correct also the false statement. It is important. So, how you will write this question? First of all, you will write the first sentence. If it is false, then write there false. And on the second line, you have to write this word, correct statement. S-T-A-T-E-M-E-N-T. Statement. Make a arrow there and then you have to write the correct sentence. I will tell you how you will do this. The leaves of sweet pea plant are modified into spines. Students, this answer is false. What you have to do? You have to write this sentence again. The leaves of sweet pea plant are modified into. Now here students listen. Instead of this spines, you have to write tendril. T-E-N-D-R-I-L. Second, the arrangement of veins on the leaf blade is called venation of the leaf. This is true statement. No need to write this statement again because it is true. Now third one. The leaf tendrils and leaf spines are examples of simple leaves. Students, this is false. Instead of this simple, word simple, you have to write there modified. M-O-D-I-F-I-E-D. Modified. Fourth, insectivorous plants grow in a nutrient-rich soil. Students, this answer is also false. And instead of this rich word, you have to write deficient. D-E-F-I-C-I-E-N-T. Deficient. Now, next, fifth question. Fifth point. An irregular network of veins is found in banana leaves. Students, this statement is also false. Instead of irregular, instead of this word irregular, you have to write parallel. Parallel. Okay, students, for today, this much. We will continue tomorrow in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, and keep your hands washing by clean water and soap. Thank you.